Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After females lay their eggs, they die. So except for the eggs, they'll be gone by around July 4th, Cooley says. Annual cicadas can last until October. When a lot of them die in the same place, it can smell like roadkill, Cooley says.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As cicadas decompose, they become a source of nitrogen, a nutrient that is key for trees, plants and your lawn. Don't worry, you can always just use fertilizer on your garden, too. You can also add the cicadas to your compost, as it makes for high-quality food for beneficial bacteria and fungus in your soil.
Take our lead.
Cicadas are mostly beneficial. They prune mature trees, aerate the soil, and once they die, their bodies serve as an important source of nitrogen for growing trees. When cicadas come out, they're eaten by just about anything with an insectivorous diet.
Take our lead.
17 years. The length of a cicada's life depends upon the cicada species. Cicadas in the genus Magicicada, the periodical cicadas, if left undisturbed in their nymphal, below-ground habitat will live about 13 or 17 years, depending on the species.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cicadas are mostly beneficial. They prune mature trees, aerate the soil, and once they die, their bodies serve as an important source of nitrogen for growing trees. Larvae suck juices from plant roots, while adults suck fluids from woody shrubs and trees.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.